Hey, for today's backyard adventure, it's 4th of July. We're gonna have some fun in the backyard, doing some fireworks. I've got some friends, family, and people over. And so I'll give you a few shots of what's going on and show you the mess and how we clean it up in the morning. So enjoy the show. Gentlemen, how's it going in here?
Good.
Show us what you got. See the goods.
Wait, where are we?
Wow.
Probably keep that.
Okay, here's the guys getting their show started for the night. I'm hoping the grass is protected. They've got a pallet and some different boards out. What are you guys lighting right now? Okay, some cakes. Every year it has escalated. More money, more power, more noise, more light, and more mess. And then over here, we got over by the house, kind of hard to see with that spotlight now, but all the spectators. It's raining.
Happy 4th of July!
What are you guys up to?
Laying on the ground.
What do you think of the show so far?
We think it's great. It slays.
All right. All right. Well, say hi to YouTube.
Hi YouTube.
What do you think they should do when they watch this video?
Subscribe!
Comment down below, turn on post notifications, and like.
Wait, say it again.
Eat tacos.
Eat tacos. Okay. Hey, who are you?
Andy.
Hey, what?
Andy.
The other Andy. Yes. Have you subscribed to Backyard Adventures with Andy?
Yes.
Oh, you have, really?
With notifications.
Okay. And notifications. All right. We'll enjoy the fireworks tonight. Hi, Scott.
Andy.
Tending to the fire.
Into the fire.
Or something.
Yeah.
How are you guys?
Hello.
All right. All right. You guys enjoying the show? Yes.
Lots of fun.
Lots of fun. Hey, you have a YouTube channel, don't you?
Subscribe to my YouTube channel, Rachel Liza.
Okay. There you go.
Thank you.
So, all the kids and their friends. Hey, nice shades.
Thank you.
I gotta
For the light show.
For the light show. All right. What's been your favorite so much? Is it the sound or is it the light?
Oh, definitely the light.
Okay. Okay. You got something on your ears?
Yes, it's for the big booms.
The big booms. Yes, and there are a lot of them. All of a sudden, you're gonna see the guys just scatter. So the boys are getting ready to light some cakes here. Some of that sound is not the fireworks, it's the girls who ran out of sparklers over here having a good time. I don't know what they're throwing. You got the parents, you got the siblings, you got friends, strangers, relatives, boyfriends, girlfriends.
Oh, wait, take it away from the blanket.
This is my oldest daughter here with some of her friends.
Sign your name.
I don't know what they're doing, but... Okay, I want you to see, my son makes big booms, but my daughter here can twirl a sparkler and like none other. Meanwhile, her friend Corey here, okay, they got a, wow.
Yeah.
Wow is all I can say.
Eat that.
Who needs backyard adventures with concrete statues when you can have fun with sparklers? Okay, this might be sexist, it's nothing, not meant to be, but all the guys are doing the loud big booms, and here's all the girls doing their dancing. Oh, there's 4 of them now. Guys, are you gonna get your sparklers out? You realize the sparklers should not be close to the supply of fireworks. That's called safety.
That's probably a smart idea.
So, you guys having fun?
Yeah.
So who are you?
I am born.
Okay, are you, and do you know anybody here? Oh, that's good. Okay, well, enjoy the fireworks tonight. What are you guys using as your lighters?
Propane.
Propane, brilliant.
Is it propane?
All right, all right. Some of the adults, some of the young adult ladies. I haven't seen, oh. Bryce, representing the guys with a sparkler.
Sparklers are for real dudes.
Do you mean that?
No.
No. This looks like it's a big step down for you to come over here and play with the little kid fireworks.
These aren't little. These are big sparklers. They're mega sparklers.
They are pretty big sparklers. So, what's your favorite type of firework?
Dynamite.
Dynamite?
All right. There you go.
Whoa, she lit it like halfway through the thing. What are you doing? For long. All right, girls, how's the fireworks show?
Good. We're great. We're driving 2 feet up.
2 feet up?
It's our rating. Beach in the sky.
Okay, and what are you doing?
Stretching.
Stretching?
What are you doing?
I'm trying to record the guys lighting, but there's some feet in my way. Okay, so we got the finale here. Fuses all over. Zadok, Rylan, Bryce, and then over on the side, Isaac is launching off the last little cake there. Oh, who's over there?
Landon.
Hi, Landon. Doing something. There we go. Something big, some big fat cakes, several things. All right. I don't know what this is gonna look like, but let's back up. Well, it's the 5th of July, one of my least favorite times as far as the backyard and what happens to it. But as you saw, it's taken some damage. We'll let the boys wake up in a little while and do their thing. They're actually real good about trying to clean up the bulk of it, and so we'll see how it turns out and assess the damage and go from there. But it was a fun backyard adventure. I don't know if I love it. I have mixed feelings. I love to support the interest of my son and his friends. I like to celebrate. I like having friends and family over. I don't necessarily like the loud noises. I don't like what that does to the nature. Apparently in the middle of the night last night they came out just to check on things, and you can see they didn't douse it well enough or something, but one of my milk crates is totally roasted. It's been burned up pretty good. Ooh, this could be bad. Here's the grass. Okay, I'm not gonna think negatively about this right now. But they had it up on pallets with wood to protect hopefully the bulk of the grass. So we'll see how that looks when I come out here and clean it up. But looks like they had some fun. It is cleanup time now. So, the backyard adventure. This is different than all the other videos. There may be another one next year. We'll have to decide on that. Hopefully you enjoyed this. If you have any comments, questions, put it in. Have a good day.